Today I'm working on something a little bit unusual. I had a client commission me to paint a furniture piece that she's going to put in her hallway, and she's absolutely in love with this style of furniture from Mackenzie, and she wants me to give it a similar flair to that. It's going to look totally different, but just with those colors. And so what I've done is I've separated the pieces, and I got really clear about which parts of it are going to be seen and which parts I'm not going to touch. And I just got my primer out. I sanded and I coated a few of the parts of the piece that I want to paint on, and blocked off the parts that I don't want paint on. We're gonna see how that goes. And here's the drawers. These are just the parts of it that I'm gonna paint, and I will check back. I'm gonna do some checkers next. I'm gonna let that dry. I had to prime it because when you buy furniture, you don't know what kind of surface is on the actual you don't know if it's oil based, what kind of finish is on it. So anywhere I'm gonna paint, I have to prime it. So anyway, that's what's happening here at my homestead. I don't have to go to work in the rain. I'm a lucky girl. These are how all of the furniture pieces turned out and how they're gonna look together. So I think it's laid out really well. I can't wait to see what it looks like once she puts it together. Now to package it up and ship it. See more hand-painted furniture at wallmurals.com.